I'm not gonna talk in this video. I'm just gonna play some music and then you just watch the process. So let's see. If any of you guys ever tried these Ceramide products, let me know. Let me know what you think about it. If it works for you or if it doesn't, if it's good or even if it's bad. Because everyone's skin is different. I just like to know.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome. It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you're new and passing through, just hit that button and subscribe. That's when I upload any content. You're already there. You're one of the friends and you join the family. So yeah, on today I'm gonna do a facial and I'm gonna do my mask. Today I'm gonna try the Makuta honey mask, and then I'm gonna use the nose pore strips, and then I'm trying out some new products. I got the Ceramide gentle cleanser, and I've got the Serum cream as well. So I'm gonna try these and see how it goes, because on reading up the review I see that it's good. So let's go, let's see how it works.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. start.